Okay, here at C&C Kitchens here in Cheshunt, I'm talking about the induction hob that we've got on this lovely display here in the kitchen showroom. It's an induction hob. It's 80 centimetre Neff induction hob. It has a half flex on the right hand side here. So when you're cooking with induction, it's very flexible cooking, particularly if you have the induction full flexi or the half flexi area, which enables you to cook use two or three little pans, or one of these lovely griddle pans that you can get from the Neff website as an accessory. We also do, rather than the griddle pan, which is cast iron, we also do a stainless steel teppanyaki pan as well to go on your flex induction hob. Now, cooking on induction, it's very flexible. It also is very easy to clean. You just wipe it over with a cloth just to buff up the fingerprints and the marks, so it's extremely easy. Nothing really hard and burns on, so you have nothing hard to clean because it's very cool to the touch when you're cooking on induction. So the outside of the pan where anything would spill is cool, so nothing really gets burnt on induction. And again, this particular hob, you've got 3 designated heating zones and you've got the flexi area as well. So I've heated up my cast iron griddle pan to quite a high temperature already, and I'm going to show you how it's really easy to griddle off some asparagus and also some halloumi. Now, it's like an indoor barbecue, so once the cast iron heated up to a high temperature, you need to turn it down because cast iron really maintains the temperature. So it's very good for an indoor barbecue in the winter. You can continue with your summer theme, but you can do it indoors. So asparagus, all I've done there is just chop the ends off and just brush it with oil. It's important that you brush the food rather than the griddle pan so the food doesn't stick to the surface at all. I'm going to show you some halloumi. Again, what I've done here to enable me to join the induction flexi area, I've pressed the little button or the joining button here, and then what happens, it joins the whole area here to the same temperature. You can use each heating zone separately if you wish at different temperatures, or what I'm doing today for the griddle pan is joining the one temperature together. So that's going to cook lovely. You're going to get those lovely barbecue lines on your char grilled steaks, on your chicken, on your burgers, just like you would on your outdoor barbecue. You've also got a low power on this particular model, which means you can go lower than 1 if you want to keep something warm when it's cooked. We've also got the P button, which is the power boost button, which means if you're heating up a big pan of water to cook your rice or your pasta, it can go beyond 9, and that's really fast and really quick. I often use the power boost when I'm frying an onion in some oil very quickly before I'm doing a dish or a recipe. So, looks like the halloumi is nearly there. You can see the beautiful lines we've got on there. I'm just going to turn that over. And again, this is quite nice to cook little kebabs on as well. Anything you'd normally do on a barbecue, you cook really nice on the griddle pan. I often do some, if you've got vegetarians in the family, you can do some char grilled peppers and also some courgettes, which is quite nice on here as well. And if I'm doing a chicken Caesar salad, I always do my chicken on my griddle pan on my induction hob because you get the nice lines in your grilled chicken as well on the induction hob. So that's the induction hob, and as you can see how lovely and flexible and easy it is to cook on your flexi induction.